Now obviously after division product, there will be division will be there. Division, it will be given limit x tends to a fx gx, which is equal to limit, sorry, it will be limit x tends to a fx divided by limit x tends to a gx. Okay, so these are the simple, very simple algebra. One more algebra is there, that is there is the additional one. Suppose any constant multiplier, suppose limit x tends to a, and inside the bracket, anyone know this sign name of this sign? Anyone know this name of the sign, this part? What is the name of this sign? In physics, I hope you learn. Sangeeta, you are joining physics, right? What is the name of this yellow color highlighted one name? Anyone? Yeah, lambda. Yeah. In physics, I guess in wave you learn this one. So lambda is any constant. So if any constant multiplied like this, if any constant multiply like this constant can become outside. Okay, so it can be written as lambda into limit x tends to a fx. Lambda is any constant. Okay, lambda is any constant. Now so algebra is very simple. You can see if two limits, but the more important thing is that have to be, the two limits have to be exist. Okay, if the two limits does not exist, it will not be true. So this is also known as theorem 1. This all algebra is also known as theorem. As per your book, it is written in theorem 1, but I don't know why it's a theorem. This is not any theorem actually. But say, let's say the main thing is that learning the thing. So here you can see if both the limit exists, if it is plus, we can open the bracket. If it is minus, we can open the bracket easily. If product, in we can open the bracket like this. And even if division, we can find out this limit and then divide. Okay, now there is very important part we'll learn. Now we have to find out the limits. Okay, so basically I'm giving one example. Suppose example 1 for today. Suppose we have to find the value of limit x tends to 2 x cube plus x square plus 1. Okay, now the thing is that the process is easy. Okay, the processing is, first let me show you the process. Suppose we are asking the find the limits. The question will be find the limits. Find the limits. Okay, so what we have to do, you have to do nothing. You have to just put the value, this value of x here. Okay, so this answer will be 2 cube, but plus 2 square plus 1. So it will be 2 cube is 8 plus 4 plus 1 equal to 30. This is the answer. But the thing is that one very deep thing I just want to share, that you can't directly put the value inside this one. Okay, you can't directly put the value inside this one. Okay, understood. Suppose fx, I'm giving you another example. Suppose this is fx. Okay, suppose this is fx. Fx equal to x cube plus x square plus 1. Now I'm saying find f2. What will be the answer? Anyone can tell me what will be the answer? If fx equal to x cube plus x square plus 1, let's find out the f2 by yourself and let me know the answer. What will be value of f2? No, just let me know the value after calculating. You don't have to put this only. You just calculate and let me know the answer. If x, this is just a simple question, class 5 6 question. That if fx is given or class 9, x cube plus x square plus 1, what will be value of f2? Instead of, okay, anyone else? Is my question is clear? Okay, yeah. No, you don't have to write anything putting x equal to nothing. Okay, just write down the answer. Yeah, 2 3 answer I got. Let me know anyone else. Yeah, the thing is that 13 is correct answer. So let me show you 13. So look, if the function is given x cube plus x square plus 1 and we got f2 equal to 13, so both is correct, right? Sorry, both is equal, right? So this is not the process, this is not the correct I mean this process you will follow this process. Okay, no need to worry about. The thing is that uh, before doing this one, just we need to know that here in your book, in class 11 book, max all the limit given, we like this limit, we all the limit exist. Okay, we can put the value when we can find the value only when the limit is exist. Okay, if the limit does not exist, you can't find the value. So considering the limit exists, okay, we are finding this value. Otherwise, limit extends to 2 this and function of this, there will be no difference. The main difference is this, that here the limit exists so that we can find the value like this. Okay, you don't need to worry about anything because in your book you have to do like this, and in your book whatever the limits are given, all are all limits are exist. Okay, so no need to worry about this one. But as the teacher, I just want to share this one, otherwise how can you understand? Okay, now before moving on to next part, I one is very important, is rational function. Rational function is important. Rational function. Rational function. Okay, look, rational function is very similar to the rational numbers. Rational function is that, suppose fx equal to, one function is that fx equal to gx by hx. Okay, so rational means you can understand it should be a simple fraction form. What is rational function? When a function is said to be rational function when fx is equal to gx by hx, where where gx and hx are polynomial. Polynomial. You can understand gx mean that should be the some function of x that is polynomial, are polynomials such that hx not equal to 0. So I hope you understand. Remember the sorry, what it called? Function of sorry, rational number. Rational number means the numbers which can be represented in by p by q form, where p and q are both are integer. Here integer, not here polynomial. Okay, and the denominator is always 0, always not equal to 0. Okay, so this is called rational function. When the function can be written as, suppose two polynomial are dividing. Okay, if the denominator is not equal to 0, then we can say this is a rational function. Okay, so let's do the next example, then you will understand why I'm learning this one, why I'm teaching this one. But this concept is very important, rational function. Next example 2. Suppose I'm taking one example from your book. Limit x tends to 2, x square minus 5x plus 6, okay, and x cube minus 2x square. Okay, now do one thing. Like the previous method means this method, we just put the value directly, right? Try to directly put the value here and let me know what answer are you getting. Is my question clear? Like the previous example one, for example one I'm showing you. I hope you can see both example 1 and 2. In example 1, let's see, you just put it the directly value here, right, inside the function x value. Now I'm asking directly put the value of x in the function and let me know what value you are getting. First, in rough, just rough, and let me know only answer, no need to write anything. Okay, anyone else? First reply. Uh, those who are writing 0, please clarify, is it 0 or 0 by 0? Because 0 divided by 0 is not equal to 0. No, no, Devya, you just calculate once again. Okay, just for one information, that 0 divided by 0 is not equal to 0. Okay, remember in mind, any number divided by 0 is not equal to 0. Devya, you just correct once, I mean calculate once, not correct. No, Linu also not correct. This is class 10, which class 5 standard question, I guess, 9 standard. Just put the value and find out. Okay, Linu and Devia both calculate once again. No, Devia again doing same mistake. It is x square minus 5x plus 2. I don't know what you are doing. Yeah, answer is 0 by 0. Okay, in rough I am showing you. I'm showing you in rough. If you put the value directly from here, I'm only here. Okay, this is rough work, and you have to do also in rough work, not the in a final answer. So it will be 2 cube minus, it will be 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square. Denominator will be 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. Okay, I hope maximum of you are doing mistake by Bodmas rule. So numerator will be 8 minus 8. Denominator will be 4 minus 10 plus 6. Okay, 8 minus 8 0. Denominator will be, oh, I think you are doing like this. 10 plus 6 16 minus 4. No, look, you are stuck in Bodmas rule. 4 plus 6, that is 10 minus 10. So it will be 0 by 0 form. So you can't here directly put the value. Okay, for that reason I just want to show you for what reason you are doing this, for what reason, what is the difference between putting the direct value and, so whenever we'll get 0 by 0 form, this is called indeterminate form. I hope the last day I told this one. Whenever we'll get indeterminate form 0 by 0, we have to simplify the function we can simplify a little bit. Okay, so how we'll simplify? Simplify limit x tends to 2. Okay. Numerator, look, numerator, from numerator, here x cube is there, here x square is there, so I can take common x square. What will remain? X minus 2. Okay, and if you simplify this one, this is a quadratic equation. By middle term factor you can find this one, x minus 2 into x minus 3. Okay, if middle term factor you having problem, I'm showing you here. X square minus 5x plus 6, okay, equal to x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6, just a middle term factor plus 10. If you take x common, it will be x minus 2. If you take minus 3 common, it will be x minus 2. So then then if you take x minus 2 common, it will be x minus 3. Okay, that is the function. Okay, because why I'm not doing here, otherwise 1 2 3 3 steps we have to write like this. Okay, now we can see easily x minus 2 we can cancel, x minus 2. Okay, because here x tends to 0, x not equal to 0. We have to, whenever we are doing this one now, we always have to mention like this, that you have to write inside the bracket x not equal to 0. And this work now, this work is under rough. This is rough work. Okay, this is rough work. So what we are getting here, after cancelling, this one, limit x tends to 2, numerator will be x squared, denominator will be x minus 3. So now look, you can put directly value. If you put directly value, it will be 2 square, denominator will be 2 minus 3, which will be 4 by minus 1, that is minus 4. That is the answer. Okay, so whenever a function will be in rational form, we have to check first whether it is 0 by 0 form or not. Not every, I'm not saying every function will be 0 by 0 form. Okay, but some function may be in 0 by 0 form. Then you have to check first. After that you can find this by yourself. Then there is one very important theorem is there. Let's see, should I teach this one or not? Yeah, today I'm giving you another one problem. After that we'll do problems from the exercise, not now. Now we'll do another theorem, very important theorem. This is theorem this part. This theorem is saying for any positive integer small n, for any positive integer, small n. Yeah, middle term factor you have to do, you can do in here. Okay, you can do here, but if you do look how many steps will because this is not the things the teacher want to know. Okay, because it is class 11, teacher don't want to know do you know the middle term factor or not. Okay, you can do here. If you do here 1 2 3 3 more step will be here. Okay, that unnecessary step, no need. You can directly do in rough, but rough should be clear. Okay, some student I used to see that rough you used to do here and then cut. No, don't cancel the rough work. Sometimes teacher also need to verify whether you are doing by yourself or not by seeing your rough work. So don't cancel. And some of you have many tendency to do the rough work at outside the page or other page. No, always right side of the page, cut with a ruler, draw a line with a ruler and do a rough work. So yeah, for any integer, small n, limit limit for any integer small n, limit x tends to a, here x to the power n, x to the power n, a to the power n divided by x minus a equal to a, sorry, not a, it will be n to the power a, sorry, a n into n minus 1. So if n is any positive integer, limit x to the power n minus a to the power n divided by x minus a will be equal to n into a to the power n minus a. You can say this is not a actually this is not a, this is theorem is written, but this is a one formula. Okay, very very important formula, especially now to okay it can be used, but especially when joint entrance type exam, competitive exam, this is very useful formula. Okay, we can do one problem, then you will understand okay what is the use of this one. So let's do one problem. Example 3, I guess. Question is evaluate x x to the power 15 minus 1, x to the power 10 minus 1, limit. Okay, limit x tends to 1, x to the power 15 minus 1 divided by x to the power 10 minus 1. Okay, so how to do this one? To solve this one, I'm doing this. X to the power 15 minus x to the power 15 minus 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by x to the power 10 x minus 1. Can I write like this? Let me know. Can I write like this or not? Can I write like this? Why? Because look, division means next line it can be multiplied and x minus 1 will be here. Okay, so x minus 1 and x minus 1 is cancelled. Understood? Fine. Why I am doing this? That is the question. That the question is, I hope this line is clear. Okay, why is not? I mean, we can write this one. Is it clear? We can write is it clear? Why we can write this? Why I'm writing that I will explain. But how we can write this? Is it clear? Okay. Yeah, because look, in division means multiplication, it will be next line. So x minus 1 will be numerator. So x minus 1 and x minus 1 is cancelled. Why I am doing this? To use this one. Look what the question is saying. Question is saying if x to the power n minus a to the power n divided by x tends x minus a and x have to tends to a. Okay, so here we can see x tends to 1, right, and x to the power 15 we can write next line we'll write like this, limit. I'm writing from here. Okay, writing from here using the algebra. I'm writing like this, x to the power 15 minus 1 to the power 15. 1 to the power 15 means 1, right? X minus 1 division limit x tends to 1 to the power 10 divided by x minus 1. Look, this division I'm using the algebra of the limit, and one why I'm writing 1 to the power 15, so that we can use this directly, this one. Okay, we can use this one, x to the power n minus a to the power n. So what is the formula? N into a to the power n minus 1. What is n here? Here n is 15 into a. What is a? What is a? A is 1 and 15 minus 1. So this is one part. Okay, just wait a minute. Hello. हेलो. Yes. अपनी क्या? हम्म. Okay. Just hold on a minute. Okay. Hello. Okay, so sorry for that. I have some emergency call I had. Yeah, I hope everyone is here, right? Mm, yeah. Okay, so where I was, yeah, I was saying this one we have to directly use the formula. So you can use that. Here we got x to the power a minus a to the power n divided by x minus a, right? So here n is formula is n into a to the power n minus 1. So here n is 15, a is 1, and to the power 15 minus 1, and here it will be 15, sorry, 10. Here n is 10 into a is 1 to the power 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. Okay, so now obviously 1 to the power 14 will be 15. It will be 15 divided by 10. So answer will be 15 by 10. It will be 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2. Fine. Now I'll do a very important example. Another one example. This example. Example 4. This is very important one. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x minus 1. Okay, divided by x. How to do this one? We have to use the previous formula, the formula we just learned. This formula you have to use, but how to do this one? That's main criteria. You remember in class 10 or any, sometimes we have to substitute some things, right? Here also we'll do substitution. We'll take, you have to do the substitution here. Put, in trigonometry we did substitution. Put y equal to 1 plus x. Okay, so here we'll put y equal to 1 plus x, so it will be limit, I'm not writing here what it will be, square root of y minus 1. If y equal to 1 plus x, what is the value of x? Can anyone tell me? If y equal to 1 plus x, what will be value of x? If y equal to 1 plus x, what will be value of x? Okay, yeah, y minus 1. It will be y, very simple, y minus 1. Okay, and what will be the here? Here it will be, this is rough work I'm showing. Okay, x tends to 0, right? And we took y equal to 1 plus x. So if you put x 0 here, if you instead of, if you put 0, what will be value of 0? What will be value of 1? What will be value of y? 1. So here we have to write and this is rough work. Okay, and y tends to 1 as x tends to 0. Okay, so here limit, it will be y tends to 1. Now it's feels very simple. Okay, we can use the next this one. So limit y tends to 1, here it will be y square root of y, you can write y to the power 1 by 2, right? Minus 1 by 1 to the power 1 by 2. Why I am writing 1 to the power 1 by 2? So that it should be similar to the formula. Okay, and y minus 1. So we can see limit x tends to a, x to the power n minus a to the power n divided by x minus a. So which is equal to, it will be n. What is n here? Half into a. What is a here? 1 to the power 1 minus half. Sorry, half minus 1, I guess. N minus 1. So n minus 1 means half minus 1. It does not matter because 1 means it does not matter. Okay. So it will be 1 by 2. Okay, 1 to the power half minus half will be also 1. So answer will be 1 by 2. This is very important. Why? Because we have to substitute this thing. Many of the students trouble what to do. Okay, so this is the things. Now, and this question, there are many other way to do also. You can try also many other way. One way is there, like, it's okay, no need to study this one. Now I'm giving you a little homework. Mm, Question number 1 to 11. This question you can see, one question you will need only 1 to 2 minutes to solve. Okay, so homework I'm giving. If it is not done, it's okay. I'll help you next day. Homework exercise 13.1, 1 to 11. Okay, question number 1 to 11. Understood. This homework is a limit to do. I mean, all the questions you can see if you are having the book now, page number 312. All things what you have to do, we have to just put the values. Very very simple. Okay, so try to do this homework by at least Saturday or tomorrow. Saturday the morning time you have class. At least by tomorrow try to do. 11 question, maximum 30 to 40 minutes you will need. Okay, fine. And keep this all homework together with the date. Okay, then the today's class I'm showing Devia is not correct. 1 plus y is not correct. Y minus 1. Okay, I hope you understand. Yeah, today's class I'm ending here. If anyone having any doubts regarding this one, this chapter will be, sir, could you please repeat this one? Okay, this line. Okay, up to this line is clear, let me know. Up to, sorry, up to this line is clear. Liang, you're saying doubt. Up to this yellow color part is clear. Okay, now y to the power square root of anything, square root of y, square root of y, we can write y to the power 1 by 2, right or not? I hope you know this one, right? So y to the square root of y, I'm writing y to the power 1 by 2. Okay, and 1 we can write anything. 1 to the power anything is 1. 1 to the power 0 also 1. 1 to the power 100 also 1. 1 to the power 1 to the power minus 1 by 2 also 1. So why I'm writing 1 by 2? Because our formula, our theorem is like this, that x to the power n minus a to the power n divided by x minus a. So always we try to arrange in this format so that we can use this value. Am I clear? I can write 1 to the power 500 also, but it's not matching here. If suppose required, suppose you can see last question I wrote 1 to the power 15. Why? Because it is matching with we have to match with the x power, because one power does not matter. Whatever the power of one doesn't matter. Why I'm writing 15 here 10 to match the power of x. Okay, but if it is not 1, it will not be same. Suppose here is 2, we can write 2 to the power 2, because 2 to the power 2 2 to the power 10 is not equal to 2. Am I clear? So why I'm writing 1 to the power 1 by 2? So that this this thing match with our given formula. Okay, so y to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 to the power 1 by 2 divided by y minus 1. Y minus 1, I don't think you have any doubt. Why y minus 1? Here y equal to 1 plus x, right? So if you take one left side, x will be y minus 1. So I'm just replacing x with y minus 1. Now look, our formula, limit x tends to a. Okay, x to the power a minus n, x to the power n minus a to the power n. N means half here, right? Both is same. Here x is y, like this, and here 1 a is 1, and x is tends to 1 divided by x minus a. So our formula is n. What is n here? Half. Okay, into a to the power n minus 1. What is a here? 1. Okay, and n is 1 by 2 minus 1. So now 1 to the power half minus 1. Half minus 1 is 1. Half minus 1 is minus half, and 1 to the power anything is 1. Okay, so no need to worry about. So 1 to the power, I'm not writing anything. It will be 1, and half into 1 will be half. That's our answer. Is it clear? Is it clear? So always we have to arrange, because as our what it called, as our theorem is given like this, we have to arrange like this structure. Okay, now if anyone else having any other doubt, you let me know. 1 to 11 you just try to do by after today's class. You having class again, I guess, from 2 p.m. I guess. Okay, and one more thing sir was asking in chemistry class now, in sir Prashun, um, please let me know after the class. Anyone, either Liang or Liang is the captain, anyone else, please let me know sir Prashun in chapter atom structure up to which part that finish. Okay, now you everyone give the roll numbers now, and after that please let me know. Everyone give roll numbers, okay? Or if anyone have any other doubts, please let me know, clarify. And always one more thing, you can understand this mass, especially the limits, these are little bit complicated chapter, right? So always try to complete the homework as soon